how to use amazing background for free. Open polish photo editor, open gallery, select photo, then click effect option, then click background option, use all background, watch video until the end, like video, subscribe video and share video.